Hi guys, it's Gaz here at the GAZWORLD channel. As you can see, I'm here at TRIUMPH WORLD in Chesterfield in Derbyshire in the UK. I'm here to do a walk around on this gorgeous 2022 TRIUMPH Speed Triple 1200RR, which is a roadster naked bike, and this colour is Red Hopper Storm Grey. I'll just show you this engine. It's a 1160cc liquid cooled 12 valve double overhead cam. It's an inline 3-cylinder 4-stroke. It produces 177 brake horsepower at 10,750 RPM. It's got 125 Newton meters of torque at 9,000 RPM, and it's got a top speed of approximately 165 mile an hour. You've got your ground clearance, which is approximately 130mm. It's not confirmed by TRIUMPH, but that's just a rough sort of guideline. Just show you the graphics there. You've got LED indicators all around. You've got your carbon side vents, carbon detailing up fenders. Your front suspension is 43mm upside down forks, which are fully adjustable electronically with dampening compression, which is obviously your ohlins. You've got your front brembo discs, which are twin floating, disc size 320mm with brembo monobloc calipers, which is ABS. You've got 17-inch black aluminium sport wheels, Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa V3 tyres, and there you've got your carbon fibre front mudguard. You got your headlight, LED single round headlight. You've got a wet weight of 199 kilograms, a wheelbase of 1439mm, and I'll just get you to your seat, which your seat height is 830mm. I'll just show you some detail on this seat. And that's your red, metallic red. I'll do your petrol tank, and the petrol tank holds 15.5 litres, and you'll probably get approximately 152 miles to a tank, which equivalates to approximately 44.8 miles to the gallon. It's keyless ignition on this bike. You've got five rider modes. You've got rain, road, sport, track and rider. You've got traction control, cruise control. You've got backlit LED handlebar switch cubes. It's got your little badge there. You've got your 5-inch TFT full colour screen. There's your adjustable suspension. The exhaust is a stainless steel 3-into-1 header with underslung primary silencer and side mounted secondary silencer. You've got your ohlins rear suspension, which is RSU linkage, electronic adjustable rebound with a travel of 120mm. LED tail light, Your rear brake is a single 220mm disc, which is your Brembo twin piston caliper ABS. If you like close-up videos of bikes, then please subscribe to the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. There's your suspension again. You've got a 6-speed gearbox with shift assist, which is upshifter and downshifter. Some more carbon detail there. This bike needs servicing every 10,000 miles or every 12 months, whichever comes first. If you want to buy this beautiful 1200RR, then be sure to contact TRIUMPH WORLD in Chesterfield. I will put a link to their website in the description below. I'm sure the sales team will be happy to speak to you about this bike, or if you want to view it or order it. The price of it is $17,950 on the road. That's your cruise control there. Like I said, this is classed as a roadster naked bike. Triumph have got plenty of stock in, ranging from these to scramblers. You've got your bobbers. They've also got a 1200 twin engine bobber, which is called the Gold Line Edition, which is in stock. I did a video on that, so check my other videos out. Like I say, I just want to thank Triumph World Chesterfield for letting me film this beauty of a bike. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. There you go, that's Triumph World. Thanks for watching. I've been GAZWORLD. See you in the next one.